Okay, this is going to be our starting point today. This is going to be a little context. Down that way goes all the way down to Pont 16, and it also goes down to Senado Square, which is where that light blue building is at, and it says Hotel Centro as well. This is Avenida Praia Grande. Down that way, that's where the Big Beach Road traditionally was at historically. And then this is all reclaimed land. And then our target street is going to be us walking down that way on this street right here. So stay tuned. We're going to be exploring this street. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So this is going to be our target street. Kind of have a Times Square feel. We're going to be walking directly down that way in a moment, but I think what we're going to also have in a moment is this ability to be able to walk across that direction and around. So I think we're going to do that. That BNU bank is that's a kind of historic feature as well. And look at all the people coming down from Senado Square, just tons of them. That road is usually always filled with tons of people. So in a minute we're gonna get the green light. Looks like they just got it there. So we just got it now as well. So at this particular moment, what we can do is walk out into this space here. We're just gonna capture all the different people moving all about. And then we are gonna go back this way. So in a moment, we're gonna go down our target street. We're just gonna kind of giving you a feel for this little four corners first. So let's head on down. You got a ship, Portuguese ship, I think. And then you got lots of black and white designs in here. Shell, I guess. Shoe shops. Got a crab design. Got a sun design. I don't know what that is. A crustacean of some kind? So yeah, this one has the traditional Portuguese tiles. We're going to escape this way. So I'm going to try to do a little bit of a 360 before we continue on. More Portuguese tiles. That department store is called Johan. So that was one of the first department stores in Macau back when department stores were transformed cities, which I guess would have been the 60s and 70s. Here's another relic, these old phones, which are kind of useless since the 90s, I think, or 2000s, I guess. Okay. Gotta go into this Boa Casino, straight ahead. And you got some watches. Okay. So yeah, this street is this one kind of goes across the city, but it does go into another street called Avenida Alameda Ribera. So when it goes where we started at, if you went the opposite direction from us, that would be the name of that street. But this particular one is the Infante Henrique. Little Henry? Baby Henry? Is that the name? Yeah, Baby Henry. Infante Henrique. Baby Henry. That sounds funny. There's Henry the Navigator, Portuguese explorer. Henrique. Keep on going down. Now this is named after the King John IV. And I guess we can sneak across because nobody's coming. Over there is, okay, let me just check this out real quick. So this is the former worker stadium of Baby Henry. So back originally I guess they had a stadium here. I did see some old pictures with a field, and then they put Grand Lisboa, which is right there. Oh, here's what it says right here. Originally a playground for the school, and they had a football field. And then in 2004 they built that hotel that we see now. Then the Portuguese school. So I guess I have seen some old photos like that where it looked like there was like a stadium in there. Okay. So yeah, this was reclaimed land, so they took it from the ocean. This is a little skateboard area. Skaters hang out here. The fountain is down across Friends Square, Praça de Amizade. So you got the nativity set over there. They have a lot of events. Sometimes they have events here. Giant dam right there. Damn. Okay. Let's try to capture a little bit more. But when the lights go down, this will look really nice. This will be all lit up. All these shops like this will be lit up. Some of them will turn the lights on earlier. So yeah. Let's keep on navigating down. And we're basically going near Lisboa, Grand Lisboa casinos. Now you can see it a little bit better. Those will look real nice in the evening. At the moment, in the daytime, they don't quite have the same effect. It's like we got a giant truck coming out. So there's, we'll just wait for that one to go by. So that's our target street right down that way. Okay, so that security guy, this is the Bank of China right here. So they're probably just bringing like a ton of money, bringing it somewhere else. Okay. So yeah, this is the Bank of China building right there. So that's the biggest Bank of China building, the main headquarters. So I guess that they're moving money around. Okay. So we're at the end of our street. So you can still see our street sign right there. Avenida de Infante de Henrique. Next to the Bank of China right there. Let's go across. Oh, I got 85 seconds. It looks like we're not going to go across. So that'll be the end of our street right there. Hope you liked it. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.